Holding you good? How's my daughter?
It's missing me.
So Shelly, today's question is, why do people have sex? Without being emotionally connected?
Are we-
Otomo surprise let's say ka bokoloi or anything else e ba tletlise bona le bo matse ka mabitso a ka po yengwe se ka bo mabitso a mebla because mona ka tlo
What's the need to be so bored with each other say and I'm here with
Peter.
Peter?
Yeah.
Oh, Peter, the question of today is, would you buy your 6 months girlfriend a brand new car?
Nah.
Give me a reason why.
You really know the girl first of all, and she's probably gonna cheat on you using that car, that same old car.
I'm a shout out your IG Instagram.
Nah, go ahead.
Yo, what up? What's the need to be so bored with each other say and I'm here with
Decent, I would say.
who?
Decent, that shoes.
So Emma, the question of today is, would you buy your 6 months girlfriend a brand new car?
Not at all.
Why? Give me a reason why.
It's 6 months. I haven't got to know her though.
Why?
Why a car?
And that's a valid reason though. Shout out your IG Instagram though.
Well, should I leave mine?
Your handle here.
Decent, I would say. For a decent, I would say.
Yo, what up? What's the need to be so bored with each other say and I'm here with Awida and
mpo
Mpo. Yo, bros, today's question is, would you buy your 6 months girlfriend a brand new car?
no I can't
Why? Give me a reason why.
what's that why I get to be personality I so it's go like I so much be sharp la bona and the 6 months mona e tshwana ka le 3 months wa bo meba and ke ntho le reneng machiri ke batho le reneng ke haholo ke batho ba rata ho spoil ke la bona kapo like o mo direle something so ka di benefits wa bona ba batla di benefits wa bona so dating yana tse yalo di batla hore like at least how to mena o to mo surprise let's say ka bokoloi or anything else e batla at least o bona le bo matse ka mabitso ka po yengwe se ka bo mabitso a mebla wa bona because mona ka tlo betray itlhomo pilot transi
batla motho a tla itshela petrol
wa bo mona ke tla
ke jwala go ne ntshela petrol
What don't tell her?
wa bo so ana ga
so
se
to ba bona to ba ntwe bed
serious
When I got money, your reason.
reason ya so go file mo ko no to wa bona has how no gona mo se like mo ga
like as for lifestyle alone and as we can see life of again cost of living is too high so some of the things so tame hore o ska di etsa fela ba bona even if o rata motho but then with limits ba bona with limits
Shout out your IG Instagram.
hola
Yo, what up? What up? What's the need to be so bored with each other say and I'm here with
Tank one.
who?
Tank.
So now, would you buy your girlfriend 6 months girlfriend a brand new car?
No.
Why wouldn't you? Why not?
Then more 6 months. Now 6 months. 6 months. Yo, 6 months. It's like you don't know the person, you know. So you can't just maybe give the reason that you know. So 6 months like early, too early, way early. Yeah.
Shout out your IG Instagram account.
Sorry.
Instagram account.
Kina yona. Yes, sir.
Yo, what up? What's the need to be so bored with each other say? I'm back at again. And I'm here with it's your boy.
I'm Mote.
What?
Mote.
So Mojo dog. The question of today is, would you buy your 6 months girlfriend a brand new car?
nah I want to
Why not dog?
because there's a possibility I can see yes one
I'll see you.
yeah
Okay, my shout out your IG, Facebook, IG woman.
Modi
Mojo.
yeah Israel
Oh, Away.
Listen.
Listen. Yo, matakto. Yo, what up? What's in YouTube? This is your boy, man. Trying to say I'm here with We see the question of today is: would you buy your 6 months girlfriend for a new car?
No.
Give me a reason why.
I don't know her much more. Yeah.
Shout out to your IG, dog.
Yeah, shout out to my whatever. Yeah.
Yo, man. So even if you love her like yo, man, she's a soulmate, you wouldn't.
I don't think so.
Even if man, you once dreamt of her, like the universe talked to you and said, yo, this is your lifetime girlfriend. You wouldn't. Still. You wouldn't.
No.
Yo, okay. Shout out, dog.
Sure.
Hey, yo, what up? What's in YouTube? This is your boy, man. Trying to say I'm here with Musa, dog. Today's question is: would you buy a girlfriend you're dating for 6 months a Mercedes Benz, a brand new car? Give the reason why. Give the people the reason why.
But you like, okay, we single friends, they'll take 6 months.
Why? What's your why?
Because, money you can use for your parents, a car, leave the house. Much like I'm killing for 9 months. Out to you, a single friend, just 6 months.
Oh, so you don't trust her. I'm telling you, you don't trust her. In other words,
Like I'm trust Amara, Bolu Indora.
No, thank you. Fuck off.
shout out to Instagram.
Instagram, I even take it with Insta.
Wow. Hey, yo, what up? What's in YouTube? This is your boy. I'm gonna try to say I'm back at the game. I'm here. This is your boy.
What's on heart?
Lamar. Huh?
Lamar, what's happening?
Yeah. So, dog, the question is, would you buy your 6 months girlfriend a brand new car?
Nope.
Give me a reason why.
Is it 6 months, G? I don't think it's enough. I don't even think a year is enough for that.
So
Women are dangerous.
You don't trust her, in other words. You don't trust her.
It's not trust, bro. I trust it, but
You do
assurance, bro.
Which
Can't
is you
be sure,
Which
bro.
is you don't trust her.
Listen, bro. I trust her, but anything can happen, bro. Long as you and I aren't married, bro, I won't do it.
Which means you don't trust her yet.
Nah, bro. It's trust, but I can't do that if you and I aren't married, bro. You have to understand. What if she leaves? Yeah, that happens. If you're not married, shit happens. You have to marry first.
You have to marry first. What if you marry her after marriage, 3 months of marriage, then she leaves?
That's understandable. Nigga munyet.
So what if she's just chasing after your cash, no? She's waiting for marriage. After marriage, she leaves.
Prenup.
Huh?
Prenup.
What?
You have to sign a prenup, for once you separate.
Oh.
I take mine, you take yours. We don't share,
Or what if you bought the car under her names?
That would be stupid.
Oh, wait, shut up.
My IG, Lemang Khatu, Facebook, Khotong Khatu. Khoto Se Khatu Junior.
Peace. Yo, what up? What's in YouTube? This is your boy, I'm trying to say I'm here with Debo. Debo, to this question, dog, is would you buy your 6 months girlfriend a brand new car, to be specific, a Mercedes Benz?
Not surely.
Not sure, which means it's like you're in between.
Yeah, in between, not surely. But then it depends if she's worth it. Yes.
Tell me how will you know that she's worth it?
By her actions. Because sometimes you'd never know a person. Within 6 months, 6 months is not even a lot.
Yeah,
Give her a year.
What if during that 6 months she's pretending and you buy a Mercedes Benz?
Yeah. And yet for nothing. And then she'll end up leaving you, and then like, what happened to your money? It's gone.
See, shout out your IG.
Okay. Oh, it's at Boyan Forever, worldwide. Yes, on IG. It's Boyan, BUOYANT forever.
Shout out.
Sure.
Yo, what up? What's in YouTube? This is your boy, man. Trying to say I'm here with
Pop Nation.
Pop Missions.
Yeah.
Pop Missions, the question of today is, would you buy your girlfriend, 6 months girlfriend, a brand new car?
It will depend
whether Kamrata or not. And it might happen, okay, I'm a multimillionaire. So if you're a multimillionaire, if you're Murata, yeah, you're not putting there.
I'm a person you are coming DJ, bro. Tell the people your Instagram account.
No, up to so far, actually, I create a video Instagram account, but get a year.
Time goes on.
Yeah, when the time goes on.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. But I'm a pop nation. If you want to know about me, I play deep house music and Afro-tech music. Yeah.
Tell them your Facebook account.
Up to so far, I'm still a party pop, but in the next weekend, the great creator, DJ Pop Nation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yo, you heard what the niggas said. You heard what the niggas said. These niggas are disagreeing. Like, yo, they're saying no. They don't trust these girls, bro. But hey, anyway, you know, shout out to Ghost Hlubi. Shout out. Shout out to Ghost Hlubi, yo. Nigga, you're such an inspiration, man. Like, for real. I don't wanna lie. I don't wanna kill. Your inspiration, niggas, we taking notes from you now, bro. I mean, like, it's such an inspiration, man. The way you're holding your cup, you know, the way you're doing your things, bro. We're taking notes from you, man. Yo, shout out. Hit the like, subscribe button, and shit. Peace.
Don't mind me, I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please.